Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we will demonstrate how to add a visitor to a room booking using the GoBright portal. So firstly we're going to start by booking a room. So I can just book, and now I can decide on my visitors. Well, I'm just going to type into search for people that are already on our system, and we're going to put in a title. Person that I've put in to join us at this meeting in this meeting room, I also want to have them as a pre-registered visitor. So I'm going to come down where it says pre-registrations at the bottom half of the splash screen, and I can click add. Here I can make the choice of visitor or supplier, and I could put in individuals in the fields, but I'm just going to copy from attendees. Here is the person joining me for this meeting, and I'm going to apply. So the details are now in the system. So if I click add and we click save, that's going to book my room, and at the same time the person coming in for that meeting will receive a visitor invitation several days before they're due in, with the final details of how to come to the office and a QR code to help them sign in at reception if that's enabled. So that's how, as a user, you can add a visitor to a room booking. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.